I am from Gaugrass Maths Up. I shall explain question number 16, exercise 5.7. The question is, if e raised to the power y dot in bracket x plus 1 bracket close equal to 1, comma, so that d square y over dx square equal to dy over dx the whole square. Here I shall write solution. Implied that, here I shall write, given that e raised to the power y dot x plus 1 equal to 1. Imply that e raised to the power y dot x plus 1 equal to 1. Here x plus 1 is there in left hand side and multiply to e raised to the power y. This x plus 1 is there in left hand side, x plus 1 will be moved back to right hand side. So here x plus 1 will get divided. So here I shall write e raised to the power y equal to 1 over x plus 1 I can write. Imply that e raised to the power y equal to, here x plus 1 is there in denominator, x plus 1 is there in denominator, that will be thrown back in numerator. So here it will become x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1. Imply that e raised to the power y equal to x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1. Again I shall write differentiating e raised to the power y wrt x. So here I shall write d over dx of e raised to the power y equal to d over dx of x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1. Imply that here in center function e raised to the power y is available. E raised to the power y is an exponential function and here in denominator x is available. So y and x are different. That's why d will be conjugated to y. It comes out to be dy over dx will be multiplied. And in place of y, if you let x, the d over dx of e raised to the power x comes out to be e raised to the power x. In place of x, I shall write y. Dot dy over dx will be multiplied to equal to, here x plus 1 is there in center function, here in denominator x is available. Both are the same. That's why it can be easily differentiated as d over dx of x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1 comes out to be minus 1 dot x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1 dot d over dx of x plus 1 imply that e raised to the power y dot dy over dx equal to minus 1 whole over x plus 1 का whole square we shall get. Because here minus 1 will be added, comes out to be minus 2, x plus 1 raised to the power minus 2. If you operate this one, you will get 1 over x plus 1 का whole square. Here minus 1 will get. Here d over dx of x plus 1 comes out to be 1 plus 0. This thing you will get. Now again I shall write imply that dy over dx equal to, here e raised to the power y can be written like this. The e raised to the power y will be multiplied to this one. You will get here minus 1 over e raised to the power y dot x plus 1 का whole square we shall get. Imply that dy over dx equal to minus 1 whole over e raised to the power y, I shall write 1 over x plus 1. So here write 1 plus x plus 1 dot x plus 1 का whole square we shall get, comes out to be dy over dx equal to minus 1 over, here x plus 1 is there in denominator, x plus 1 का whole square is there in the numerator. It will be cancelled out. Here you will get only x plus 1. This thing you have got. Now again I shall write dy over dx equal to minus 1 dot x plus 1 is there in denominator, that will be moved back to numerator. So here we will get x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1. This thing you will get. Now again I shall write differentiating dy over dx wrt x. We shall get d over dx of dy over dx equal to minus 1 dot d over dx of x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1. Imply that d over dx of dy over dx comes out to be d square y over dx square equal to, here write minus 1 dot d over dx of x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1. I shall write here minus 1 dot x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1 minus 1. Dot d over dx of x plus 1 I shall write. This thing will be written. So here you will get d square y over dx square equal to, here minus 1 will multiply, will get here plus 1, right here plus 1. Here x plus 1 raised to the power minus 2 will get, here write x plus 1 raised to the power minus 2. Here we shall get 1 plus 0, because d over dx of x comes out to be 1, plus this plus I shall write here, d over dx of 1 is constant, d over dx of 1 comes out to be 0. So it will become d square y over dx square equal to plus 1 will multiply together, you will get here 1. Here I shall write 1 over x plus 1 का whole square I shall get. Here again I shall write d square y over dx square equal to, here write in bracket minus 1 over x plus 1 का whole square, because minus 1 का whole square comes out to be here 1, 1 plus 1 का whole square comes out to be 1 plus 1 का whole square. So here I shall get implied that d square y over dx square equal to minus 1 over x plus 1. I shall take from here, you can see here, from here dy over dx equal to minus 1 over x plus 1 I shall write. So in place of minus 1 over x plus 1 I shall write dy over dx. So here I shall write dy over dx का whole square I shall write. So here just daily, here d square y over dx square, d square y over dx square equal to dy over dx का whole square, dy over dx का whole square we have got. Here dy over dx equal to minus 1 dot x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1. So here you will get implied that dy over dx equal to minus 1 I shall write in numerator, and here x plus 1 raised to the power minus 1 will be thrown back in denominator. So here it will become x plus 1. So here we have got dy over dx equal to minus 1 over x plus 1. Minus 1 over x plus 1, in place of minus 1 over x plus 1 I shall write dy over dx. So here dy over dx a whole square we have got. So this one and this one I have proved. This one I have explained in detail. So just write here QED. QED means quote irate demonstrandum. QED implies that quote irate demonstrandum. Quote irate demonstrandum kvd iti siddham. This is the proper explanation of question number 16, exercise 5.7, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Here d square y over dx square equal to dy over dx whole square. Same result we have got here, d square y over dx square equal to dy over dx whole square we have got. This is the one of the important question taken from NCERT 12th mathematics. This type of question is, process of solving of this type of question will be more and more fruitful and beneficial while tackling the problems related to integration and differential equation. Okay guys, thanks.